Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to turn on disappearing messages in WhatsApp web communities on your PC. This feature is perfect for enhancing privacy and keeping your chats clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Simply launch your preferred browser, go to web.whatsapp.com, and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, navigate to the community where you'd like to enable disappearing messages. Click on the community name from the left-hand menu to open it. Next, click on the name of the community at the top of the chat window. This will open the community's information section. In this section, look for the Disappearing Messages option and click on it. A prompt will appear explaining how disappearing messages work. Click OK to proceed. Now, you'll see options to select the duration for messages to disappear: 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Choose the time frame that suits your needs by clicking on it. And that's it. You've successfully turned on disappearing messages for your WhatsApp web community. From now on, messages in this community will automatically delete after the selected period. This feature is a great way to maintain privacy and keep your conversations tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this useful WhatsApp feature.